This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Taylor's Falls, Minnesota. 1. Explore Interstate State Park. Start your Taylor's Falls adventure at Interstate State Park, the crown jewel of this charming river town and a true geological wonder. Established in 1900, this 1,330-acre park sites right on the St. Croix River and protects some of the most unique rock formations in the world. You can hike miles of scenic trails that wind through ancient lava flows and towering basalt cliffs carved by glaciers over 10,000 years ago. The views from the bluffs overlook the Wisconsin shoreline across the river. Bring your camera because the photo opportunities are endless. The park is perfect for a morning hike, an afternoon picnic, or a full day of outdoor exploration. You can also try rock climbing on the famous cliffs that line the river. The park is open year-round and offers a peaceful retreat into nature for visitors of all ages. A Minnesota State Park vehicle permit is required. 2. See the Glacial Potholes. Next, walk to one of the park's most fascinating features, the famous Glacial Potholes. These deep, cylindrical holes in the bedrock formed when swirling glacial meltwater trapped rocks and drilled them straight down into the solid rock. Some potholes reach over 60 feet deep. The concentration of potholes here is among the highest on Earth. You can peer down into several of them from viewing platforms along the trail. The Pothole Trail is a short and easy walk that takes you right past these incredible geological formations. It's a great activity for all ages. The kids will be amazed by these ancient natural sculptures. It's a unique sight that you won't find anywhere else. This is one of the most popular attractions in Taylor's Falls. 3. Take a scenic boat tour. Get out on the water with Taylor's Falls Scenic Boat Tours, a family-owned business that has been operating since 1906. You can board a paddle wheel riverboat for a narrated tour through the world-famous Dalles. A licensed pilot will guide you past towering basalt cliffs formed at the end of the Ice Age. You'll see striking geological features like Lion's Head, Turk's Head, and the famous Old Man of the Dalles. The tour also points out ancient glacial potholes from the water. For a truly magical experience, book the 80-minute sundown cruise. You'll watch the sunset paint the sky over the river while learning about the area's history and scenery. The cruise is relaxing, peaceful, and unforgettable. This boat tour was named a runner-up in the 2026 USA Today 10 Best Readers' Choice Awards for Best Boat Tour. 4. Hike the River Trail. Lace up your hiking boots for the river trail, a flat and easy path that follows the shoreline of the St. Croix River. This trail is perfect for families, casual walkers, or anyone wanting a relaxed stroll with great views. The trail stays close to the water, so you'll watch boats float by and might spot bald eagles or great blue herons fishing along the shore. The path is well maintained and accessible year-round. It's a great way to stretch your legs and enjoy the river's peace. You can walk as far as you like and turn back at any point. The river views are stunning in every season. This is the perfect activity for a leisurely afternoon. 5. Ride the Alpine Slide at Wild Mountain. For some family-friendly fun, head to Wild Mountain, an outdoor recreation area just outside of town. The main attraction is the thrilling Alpine Slide. You ride a sledge down a winding track built into the mountainside. It's a fun and exciting ride for all ages. Wild Mountain also offers go-karts, a water park with several water slides, a lazy river, and a wading pool for smaller kids. In the winter, the mountain transforms into a destination for skiing, snowboarding, and snow tubing. There is something for everyone here. It's a great place to spend a full day of active fun. The whole family will love the variety of activities. 6. Wander the Franconia Sculpture Park. Visit the Franconia Sculpture Park, an eclectic outdoor art space just a short drive from downtown. You can wander the grounds and see large-scale sculptures created by artists from around the world. The park is free and open to the public. It's a unique and inspiring place to explore. You can walk among the art, take photos, and enjoy the creative atmosphere. The sculptures are set in a beautiful natural landscape. It's a wonderful way to spend an afternoon. This is a hidden gem that many visitors overlook. Don't miss it. 7. Explore the Angel Hill District. Step back in time and explore the historic Angel Hill District. This charming neighborhood is filled with beautifully restored 19th century homes. The highlight is the Folsom House, a restored 1850s home from the heyday of the lumber era. You can tour the house and see what life was like for early settlers. The district also includes the oldest existing public schoolhouse in Minnesota, a classic white building overlooking the town. Wander the streets and admire the historic architecture. This is a perfect activity for history lovers. 8. Eat at the drive-in. You have to eat at the drive-in, a local institution that has been serving dogs, burgers, malts, and homemade root beer since 1956. This old-fashioned drive-in is a classic American experience. You can order from your car and eat at the picnic tables. The root beer is famous and delicious. It's the perfect spot for a casual meal after a day of exploring. The atmosphere is friendly and nostalgic. This is a true taste of Taylor's Falls. Don't miss it. 9. Visit Coffee Talk. Start your morning at Coffee Talk, a cozy Victorian-style home turned into a beloved local coffee shop. It has been a local favorite for over 30 years. You can enjoy terrific locally roasted coffee and delicious morning buns, muffins, and scones. The home was built in the 1800s and is filled with local art and historical pictures. There are 2 seating levels and a beautiful backyard garden with flowers. Get there early before the morning buns are gone. This is the perfect place to relax and plan your day. And if you're looking for an ideal price for hotel bookings, you can check out the link in the description box below. 10. Paddle the St. Croix River. Finally, you have to get on the water. You can rent a kayak or canoe from Taylor's Falls Canoe and Kayak Rental, located right in Interstate State Park. The St. Croix River is designated as a National Wild and Scenic Riverway. The calm, clear water is perfect for paddling. You can explore the shoreline, paddle past the towering cliffs, and enjoy the peace of the river. It's a great way to see the area from a different perspective. You can also try fishing for walleye, northern pike, and balsam crunch and bass. Paddling the St. Croix is the perfect way to end your Taylor's Falls adventure. Come ready to explore and leave with a full heart.